We're going to do an open house and a lemonade stand.
We're doing an open house and a lemonade stand.
And then you hand it to your sister. That's the first time we've tried to have both of the littles on a podcast, and we're going to be doing more with them. Going to be having some cooking shows and different things for kids. We just wanted them to have the spotlight a little bit today, since they are going to be the two offering the lemonade in our lobby at the lemonade stand. Special electrolyte lemonade, one that provides potassium, magnesium, the right ratio with sodium. And so they're really excited about that. We're going to have some snacks, and we're also going to, like I mentioned before, we're going to have people try the different machines that are at our clinic. They are very valuable as far as direct application. Theta Chamber rewires the brain, breathing and drinking hydrogen air, hydrogen water. RF cleanse that moves toxins from the body. Rain's one of my favorites next to Theta. And that one does 1.4 million negative ions through the body to a grounding plate, and is about the same as being a week at the beach, the forest, or by a waterfall. You're going to love that one. We also have a hyperbaric chamber. It's not a high pressure tube. It's a lower pressure that can fit 2 people with the same benefit, and an orthopedic LED bed for pain, circulation, stimulating collagen, helping post-surgery, or just for general good benefit for the body. And then we have all the different scans that we can do. And that's another whole subject. We can scan the blood, we can scan the body. Scanning the blood, no needles required, and it shows the relationship between the blood and the organs, glands, and systems. Scanning the body, finding out 18 different causes of problems in the body, and not focusing on symptoms, but finding what's causing the symptoms. That really is important to us. So we hope that you can come in person this Saturday, the 15th, from 10 to 5, meet Lily and Luna in person, have a glass of lemonade, and get to explore all the other facets of our office. We really look forward to sharing with you and just showing you all the benefits that can be had by taking advantage of the different things that we have at Amazon Functional Health. So hope to see you this Saturday. We just appreciate so much the people that have supported us through the years, especially the years with COVID and after COVID. And so we really wanted to have an appreciation day for all the people that we see in our office. And some of you may have not been in for a while. We really appreciate you too. Come on in back and experience some of the new things that we have since the last time that we saw you. We also are probably going to be doing a few giveaways, and they're going to be some valuable giveaways. So you might want to come in for that as well. So look forward to seeing you this Saturday from 10 to 5, and hope that you can come and enjoy a glass of lemonade with Lily and Luna and take advantage of all the things here that we have to offer.
I'm going to do a lemon stand.
Okay.
Can I have it back?
They can try all the machines at our office, or they can demo the machines at our office. How about they can try the Theta Chamber and the Hypercube?
They can try the chamber in the hypercube.
Theta Chamber.
Theta Chamber.
Luna,
What?
I want you to look at that camera and tell them, what are we going to do?
We're doing a lemon stand and an open house.
Okay, so hold this.
Okay.
Hold this. Show them the picture. Okay, and then Lily, what else can they do?
I'll put this right here.
I just want to jump. Go ahead, jump. All right, Lily, what else can they do?
They can use all kinds of different machines.
Like the Theta Chamber?
Like the Theta Chamber.
And the Hypercube?
And the hypercube and the rain.
Uh-huh. Yeah. So they can come and try all those, can't they?
Yes.
Are you excited about doing the lemonade stand and having the open house?
Not really excited, but I'm kinda.
But kinda?
Mm-hmm.
Why? Oh, are we gonna have snacks? Yeah, we're gonna have snacks, huh? And are you gonna get to give people lemonade? Is that gonna be cool? Is that going to be cool?
Yeah.
Good. Well, I'm glad you're going to be my helper. You sure can.
I want to clip it to here.
You want to clip it to there?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
I'm just trying to be careful. Can you help?
I can sure help. Here we go. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so as you can tell, we are going to be doing stuff with our 2 entrepreneurs. We're going to have an open house and a lemonade stand. And we're really excited. And why are we excited? Because we really appreciate the clients that we've had over the years, and we really want them to be able to come and have a day where they can try out the direct application machines that we have. They're so valuable. And LMNT awarded 5,000 lemonade stands across the country this year. And these guys were awarded one of them. So we really want you to come and help our little entrepreneurs, but we also want you to enjoy some of the facets of our clinic. And remember that you can come and do some short demos at no cost. Come and try the Theta Chamber, try the rain machine, try the hypercube, the LED bed, the hydrogen machine, all the things that we have here. We'd love to tell you about them and at the same time explain to you how we do scanning and how we find the causes of things rather than just focusing on symptoms. So, you want to do it? So, say, come to our open house.
Come to our open house. Come to our open house. Come on our open house.
And have some lemonade.
And have some lemonade.
Electrolyte lemonade.
Electrolyte lemonade.